Wow. I made it into Courtney's treehouse. Holy smoke, look at it. It is literally awesome. Holy smoke. He needs windows and you can sleep in this thing. This is amazing. I am out of breath. Look at what a view. There's a feeder right there. What a view. I am probably, I would say, 50 feet up. There's Marlon, my TV down there. What's up, Marley? Woo! This is crazy. There's Courtney out there. Alright, let me get down and go to work so we can get out of here. Boy, this is awesome. Carpeted. Alright, here we go. Back down the tree.